The government's insurance program that began some 8 years ago from Kailali district has been implemented in 752 local levels so far, except for Kathmandu's Budalkantha, and so far just around 7.5 million have enrolled in the program. 30% of the public that had enrolled in the government's health insurance program initially have not renewed their insurances. More in this report.
Based on the government's insurance program, a family of 5 can get insurance worth up to 100,000 rupees by paying an annual amount of 3,500 rupees. A family of up to 10 can apply for insurance worth up to 200,000 rupees by paying 700 rupees per member. However, public say they have faced hassles in availing the insurance amount. A few issues have been identified as the reasons behind the lackluster implementation. First being the lack of awareness among the public, attributed to lack of promotion by the government regarding the facilities under the insurance program. The second being abuse of insurance on part of the insured and even hospitals that refer for unjustified tests in order to help the patient claim for the insurance amount and benefit themselves in return. The other issue has been identified as the lack of medicines and ease of services. 407 local levels still do not have service providers at the moment. Likewise, government interference regarding Health Insurance Board has also been identified as the reason behind the failure to implement the insurance program effectively. The government only recently suspended Executive Director of the board, Damodar Basola. He was reinstated by the court's order. However, a Council of Ministers meeting decided to remove him once again in less than a month. The board has not been able to function fully as Basola's post has remained vacant. The other challenges have been identified as the inability to release insurance payments to hospitals as agreed and failure to implement the Insurance Act. The Health Insurance Board has 6 billion rupees to release in payments to service providers, which they have attributed to lack of human resource.